All right, so welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at Amazon. The stock's jumping quite a bit after the earnings report, and we're going to chat a little bit about that. Keep in mind, it's not a recommendation to buy, sell, or trade anything, just my opinion. You can always grab my opinion on our Discord channel. Click the link in the description. You can sign up and ask questions there, and I always share some tidbits and tips throughout the market. Okay, so let's kick things off with Amazon here. When we look at Amazon right here, earnings, I mean, they popped quite a bit, and the stock really jumped. So as we check this out and you go into Amazon and you look at the chart, you can see in the 6 months here, even in the year to date or 1 year, the stock actually hasn't really done too much. We've been kind of in a sideways action, and we've been kind of going down here recently. So that's been a bit of a problem. So that's what we're going to chat a little bit about right now as we go to Amazon. You can see right here, we've been in this sideways consolidation pattern. And the big question is can we hold this price level? So right now we're getting on the cusp of maybe this creating some huge trouble, but earnings kind of saved the day for the stock right now, and maybe saved a little bit of the market. So if we kind of look at the monthly on Amazon, you can see from 2015, this chart is kind of trended at this angle. So here's kind of our angle, and this is the pattern we've been kind of moving. And we did some sideways consolidation, and this is what it seems that the stock is doing. Sideways consolidation, then we hop, next sideways consolidation, excuse me, and then we hop again. So now what we're trying to do is kind of pop into this next line. So here we've got a little bit of support at this level. The stock was toast the other day, and now it's back up to where it kind of was. The big question and problem sometimes in these cases is this all sounds good and euphoric, but if you get like a breakdown right here, like a counter trend bounce, and you get a rejection right here at 3,200, this can roll over, creating an A to B, B to C, C to D pattern. So the way that this would play out, if you were kind of worried about it, I'm not saying this will, I'm just saying this is what to watch out for, is that right here, you're looking at here to here, you're looking at here to here, and then here to here. And then from there, it could obviously move higher. So you're looking at this A, B, C, D. So anyway, that's kind of one bit of a concern. Other than that, the stock, now that we're back in here, kind of dominates that we are now back into this sideways pattern for now. We'll see like over the next day or two if this can hold. And if that is the case, then we're probably back into this trend for a while until it can kind of break out of here. So is this kind of a nibbling opportunity? Yeah, I think this is a nibbling opportunity more so than a massive buying opportunity, because, you know, right now at this point, I don't think that this stock is going to explode to the moon, right? It's not like a rocket ship right at this point. Even though it appears that way, it is up 335 points, but 10%. But you know, this stock it's like a $3,000 vehicle. So you're still looking at a range of 3,500 to kind of 2,900. So this has been our range. So even though it appears like it's blasting off to the moon, the reality is this stock has just been going and kind of moving more sideways right here. So anyway, so from a longer term perspective, this does look like a nibble or buying opportunity. If you're kind of starting to get into the stock now, I would wait 3 to 5 days to see if this trend can hold. And one of the issues to watch out for is obviously the 3,300, because if we get into this level and we start selling off and rejecting, that could be a problem, because this could be a counter trend move. And really, it's popping, possibly because it's also just simply oversold, not just earnings. So watch some of these price levels, longer term trend. We're still kind of holding this line and level, and we're moving well. We're hitting it at a few spots. So that creates kind of this angle. Sometimes we stretch away from it. Okay. So we stretch away from it, but then we kind of go sideways to pull back into it. Okay. So we'll see if we get this next leg up. So maybe we'll get an explosion effect, and then more sideways into that range. So those are some of the things to kind of look to and watch out for in the stock. Take your time with it. It's a big one. Be patient on your fills. It'll whip around, and it's very costly and expensive, right? So you want to be careful with something this big. It's kind of like wrestling with an alligator. Be cautious on everything here that's happening. So anyway, take your time and work the trade. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Join the Discord community down below. Check out the option trading channel as well if you're interested in learning to trade options. And I'll see you next time on another video.